Reposted something on Instagram and want to undo it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to undo a repost on Instagram. Now let's get started. To undo a repost on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the repost icon to view your reposts. Find the repost you want to remove. Then hold down the thumbnail image for the post. In the pop-up menu, select Delete Repost. The repost will then be removed from your profile. Repeat this process to remove any other reposts you want to undo. That's all it takes to undo a repost on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.